Easy spit. Was that it?
That was it. Is there any indication that's on?
I'll slow down for you. No, just stay in.
Left. Left.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Coosa County Superintendent Chancellor, Chattanooga High School Principal Matt Phillips, please welcome to the field 2026 Heritage High School Legion of Generals.
Left.
The Legion of Generals have
Left.
earned their seat.
Left.
Does anybody really know what time
Left.
it is?
Left.
Fugitive.
Left.
Pale and boldest time.
Left.
And I've had the time of my life.
Left.
The Legion is under the field direction of drum majors Nicholas Anchando,
Left.
Annalie Modine, and Vivian Kwan.
Left.
Captains are Annabelle Brown, Hudson Case, and Lindsay Gallion. Tonight's preseason performance will feature soloists Travis Vaughn, Silas Burkhart, Nicholas Anchando, Emma Stetzner, and Evan Wills, with featured choreography by
Is there any
Linda
indication that's on?
Bella Little, Bella Williams, and Lindsay Gallion. Drum majors, is your band ready to take the field?
Run. Is it on?
You plugged it in backwards.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy the Legion of Generals.
Watch Nicholas.
Go. I got it.
Five.
1, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 12. Up.
What?
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up. Watch for the drop. 1, 3, drop. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push 1. Six, seven, come push 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up. Watch for the up. Watch for the set. 3. Slow up. 2. Set. Front. 2. 6. 8.
Let's give a round of applause to the Heritage Marching Generals.
Jordan. 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 Drake. Oh my God. Oh yeah, right. I'm so stupid. I already made my mistake. I'm confident in doing it.